Hey, welcome back to my channel. Click to subscribe. RP to Kobe and Gianna. This one was for you.
What a beautiful day you got here.
Yep.
Great day for a helicopter ride.
What's the weather? Oh, it's still warm. Okay.
It's
good.
For those of you who are wondering, am I a brave person? I am. I like to take risks, but I was nervous. I definitely was nervous.
So brave. What? You're so, huh? You're so brave.
You still doing that?
Yes.
Jesus.
But brush your teeth.
I don't know what's wrong with you. Trying to work it out and leave it in the past. I'll give you a pass if we try to make it last, girl. What's the reason why you left me all alone? Won't answer your phone, baby.
We're going to pull up right over there by the gate in the staging area. I'd say 8 to 10 minutes. The pilots are going to come to that gate there. They're going to call out your name off the manifest, and you'll go through the gate with them. You'll see there that there's blue stripe lines. They're the safety lines. You have to stay in them walking out to the helicopter and also back.
No lie, that's literally how my heart was beating. The area was so beautiful. The sunlighting was perfect. Those people you see right there coming out the gate, they just finished getting off the helicopter ride. Yo, guys, my turn was up soon.
This is so much easier.
Got your headsets right here. Here, don't put them on yet. Just kind of hang on to them.
So I did turn the sound off. I know that it could be annoying. Only thing is that a lot of stuff that the pilot was saying over the headphones, you guys aren't able to hear. But I will repeat some of them because I do remember some of the stuff that he said. So when the plane took off, I do not know what bridge that is, but we actually were in Jersey. So right now we're heading to New York City. I forgot what area of Jersey this is called. I'm gonna put it down though. Okay, one thing I could say, guys, that had me nervous were the sharp turns that the helicopter took. Like, literally, if I didn't have a seatbelt on, I was falling straight out that plane. Okay, anytime you see that my phone starts doing these weird angles, it's because the helicopter is turning. And like I said, the turns are very sharp. So I believe we're over Central Park. As I stated before, the pilot spoke to us and we heard it through the headphones. So certain parts of the ride we were able to stick our feet out. That is only when the plane is stable. If the plane is doing sharp turns, we're not allowed. But if the plane was stable and we're flying over a flat surface, then definitely. Here we go. I took this video in slow motion, by the way. Honestly, I do not know. Oh, that's the ferry. Okay, I was trying to figure out what was I pointing to. Here's a quick view of Brooklyn, New York. I really like our pilot because he told us every part of Manhattan we were in. He told us whether we were on the east side, the west side, lower Manhattan. He was great with telling us about many of the famous landmarks in Manhattan, which are the World Trade Center, the Empire State Building, and many other. So I don't remember the exact temperature for this day, but we were in October of 2020. Well, actually the beginning of October. It was weather, by the way. I wish I remember how cold outside. Well, it wasn't cold. Okay, our ride has come to an end. What I could say, despite the fear, guys, this ride was amazing. It was very breathtaking. I do advise anyone to take the risk and go.